I'm Toby and this is Sea Life.
Alright, so this morning we are going to put down some more hardybacker in the bedroom, and then we're going to work on the bathroom. We're going to try to finish all that today, and we hope to go ahead and start laying some tile. Hopefully we can get all this done today, but I doubt it. But we'll get a good portion of it. So let's get started today.
Yeah. This trailer has a geothermal wall. And down here on the floor we have a little battery for the solar fish pump. Or for the little fish pump that pumps the liquid through all of these tubes. Can you hear the wall now? I plugged in the battery. I love this wall because it makes this like air conditioning in this trailer. And it's geothermal, it's all under the ground, and it holds quite a bit of cool. And that liquid in there holds that cool for a long time. So this house might start getting warm at about 3 o'clock or 4. And then adding in the geothermal vent that we're going to add in should hold that cool much longer. This house also has a solar chimney to pull that geothermal cooling through that vent. So it's really very efficient. This is the fish pump and the control. And that's the hosing goes all through this wall behind these tiles. And that's how we did it. Very efficient. We've got a little battery that's hooked up to a little solar power, and we just hooked it into a little battery fish pump, and it didn't cost much. I don't remember how. I think we spent $300 on the PEX pipe that went under the ground as well as through the wall. And so there's 300 foot under the ground, there's 300 foot PEX pipe in the wall. Well, this is a weird trailer house. Look at the legs. You know what? I think, oh, it's a little sheep. Look at that. Even in the midst of all of this construction, they want to be right here by us. They love us. They're so friendly. You know what? I think this was a sheep under the trailer event. There was about 12 of them under here. You think this would be better? Okay. So today Daniel's going to be using this older table saw, and he's changing the blade on it. And for anybody who might not have ever changed a table saw blade, I thought I would go ahead and show you how to do it.
This one comes with 2 tools. Alright, this one is for the nut, but you notice that you got a little cut right there. Well, on the back side, if you look back over here,
Come on the other side.
if you look in the back here, there's a place where you can just shove that tool down in there, and then it locks it in place so that you can work with it. So you take that nut off. I already loosened that nut, by the way. That's why it's like that. And that comes off. This blade comes off. Okay. And now we're going to put back on. Trying to remember which way this goes. I think that goes that way. Yeah, which way is the right way? Is it this way?
Thank
The
goodness we have
blade
friends.
spins this way? No, it goes this way.
Yeah, I think you're right.
This way. So it goes that way. Okay. Wow.
Could, yeah. This way. Oh, man. Yeah. So you can't push it in there. You push it in there. That's right. You gotta be trying it out with. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, brother.
So you figure it out when you cut it over there.
Yeah, I know. So you start it up.
Yeah.
Just make sure it goes the right way. Yep. And then once you put the screw back on there, you just tighten it, because this is locking it. I can, as soon as I get it on there, just tighten it up real good.
We just figured out what that was. So we used to hold it with claws in.
Yeah. And there we go. We're done changing
And
blades.
that's that. That's changing the blade on your table saw.
The big one we need, right?
No, I need a small one.
Okay, you guys, they've got this floor just about done. And what you'll notice too is when you lay hardybacker down, you lay it down with the words up. And that's how you know you've got it down right. And I just asked Daniel about that. And we've got this whole floor in, and we're starting on this floor in the bathroom. So we're going to have the bathroom and the bedroom ready to be tiled. And we've got our vent filled in the corner here for our geothermal venting. Every once in a while, Daniel comes up with an idea that I'm not sure I'm on board with. This would be one of those times. He's filled a water container on the back of this trailer, and then he was up there trying to ratchet it onto the trailer. I said, "Hon, you gotta let the water out of this thing, and then reposition it." And he was I thought he was trying to ratchet it to the back of the trailer. And I was like, I'm just not really sure I'm on board with that idea, Daniel. But I see he's starting to listen to me. He let the water out. It bent, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The bracket on the back of that bent because he was trying to ratchet it. Oh, this was a wild idea. But on your homestead, when you have a situation, you just got to try whatever you can to get it taken care of.
I'd rather not have wasted all that water.
Yeah, it would have been nice if he hadn't wasted all that water. But it's not really a waste because we need grass in this area anyway. So, and apparently this had fallen over in the presence of our little pup, and she just doesn't trust it at all now. Not at all. That's why she's still barking at it. But yeah, that was a trailer incident that we're going to work through. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section. If we don't get this worked out, we'll sure be checking it out. You live, you learn. We got it repositioned and back in the right how we need it. We're going to try to put water in this and be able to haul it back to Daniel's for all of the tile project that we're doing.